Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. One of my favorite super versatile tools to have around the home and shop is a micro torch. And this one, there are lots of brands, but this one is the Burns-O-Matic 3-in-1 micro torch. Let me show you what I like about it. So to light the torch, you have to click down this little safety. Then you can push the button on the back to light it. If you want continuous flame, there's a silver button on the side that you push in while you're holding the back button down. To adjust the size of the flame, there's a wheel here on the side. So here's a few of the things that you can do with this torch. First of all, you can solder with it. And it comes with this soldering tip. You just slip it on and tighten the screw and light the torch. To use the heat gun feature, you just unscrew the soldering tip. It's also the perfect compact travel size torch for starting fires when you're camping. And for your culinary endeavors, makes a perfect creme brulee torch. So the Burns-O-Matic 3-in-1 micro torch is Family Handyman approved. To see more products we've tested and approved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.